We're gonna check the electricity that's coming out of outlets. All electricity in the house has usually different amounts that it's putting off that could be negative for the body. They call it dirty electricity. So we have a meter. I'm just gonna plug into the top outlet. It's by Green Wave. And once the number quits flashing, it will show you it has 547 millivolts of what it considers basically dirty electricity. We have a Green Wave, basically kind of a filter which cleans up dirty electricity. Gets plugged in the bottom, and it dropped it to 22, 23 millivolts. So this is something we're going to go ahead and do throughout the whole house. You normally, for a bedroom, you might need 2 of these per bedroom, maybe 1 for a small room like a bathroom, a large room or room with lots of electronics or computers. You might need more than that. But the nice thing about Green Wave is you have a meter so you can test, and you can actually figure out some outlets are worse than others. And actually by doing one, it'll actually improve outlets that are downstream from it. And it'll affect those as well. And you can, with the meter at least, you can strategically figure out where to place the filters as they add up. When you need quite a few for a whole house, they start adding up. So you can choose where to best place them. In our boys' bedroom, which I'm doing first because that's always my biggest concern, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think I have 6 outlets in here. So I'll figure out how many we need in here to do the best job for them first, and then we'll go to the next room that we're gonna use the most, say another bedroom, and then probably a living room, and then for us it'd be office and kitchen. And then when I have some left, then we'll look at the other rooms that we spent less time in. But more than likely they'll be used up by then. But again, just looking how we can reduce the negative impacts of just our daily lifestyle. That there's no way to avoid this kind of stuff if you want to have electricity in your home, which everybody does. But we can try to be smarter about how we use it, because we're looking at long-term effects.